Paano kaya mag-frisbee? Matanong nga. The flight of a frisbee is dependent on two factors, the lift force and the angular momentum. According to the Bernoulli principle, fluids such as air follow curved paths. Air encounters less interference above the disk, and it moves faster above the disk than below the disk, causing a low pressure region above the disk. Air encounters interference below the disk, and this creates air pressure. Since air moves from higher pressure to lower pressure, it will push the disk upward, maintaining lift. The physics of the spinning disk is similar to the gyroscope. Angular momentum is generated by the spin, and this provides stability to the disk. The lift forces due to air pressure do not always act on the disk's center of mass.
Therefore, this produces a net torque on the disk which causes it to wobble. When spin is applied, an additional torque vector is added to combat the torque caused by the lift force, and it keeps the disk in a straight path. Circular structure places the lift force closer to the center, is thicker at the edge which maximize angular momentum.
Frisbee is easy. You just play in groups of 7 people per team. You have to get the Frisbee to your team's end zone. Doing so earns your team points. Take in mind that you cannot walk if you have the Frisbee. If you do walk when you have the Frisbee, it will be counted as traveling, and the opposing team will be in possession of the Frisbee.
There are two basic throws in playing Frisbee, the forehand and the backhand. The forehand, also referred to as the flick, two-finger or side-hand throw, is one of the most common throws in Frisbee. It is gripped by placing the index and middle finger at the rim of the disc for power, or placing the index at the rim while placing the middle finger at the bottom pointing to the center for stability. The thumb is pressed above of the disc as it is launched by flicking your wrist forward. The throw looks something like this. The backhand, also another common throw in Frisbee, is gripped by curling one's fingers onto the rim of the Frisbee and keeping the thumb on top of it. The Frisbee is then tucked into the body and straightened out to release. Stepping into the throw also adds power and accuracy to the throw. It looks something like this.
Now I know how to play Frisbee, and not just the physics behind it. Papayat na ako!